Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this set of two different the Dr. Scholl's insoles and the Walkhero insoles. I'm gonna give you my thoughts about it. What I think that this could be good. You're gonna give it a good use for not the same thing. I think those are my thoughts about what you could be using this one for. I do believe that one is more kind of like more inclined to professionally proven than the other one. Not about the quality. These are both really, really good. But this one are gonna give you an excellent, excellent support right here on the arc. And that's why I think that this one's, for example, in my case, I actually got this one for New Year's. For New Year's, I have a party that we're gonna go and we need to dress up pretty like formally, I have to say. And I have a new pair of shoes, which I do believe that you gotta break those in whatever. We know that already. But these ones are gonna be perfect for that because I'm gonna be standing a lot of time. I'm gonna be probably it's not about the dancing, it's more about the standing. These are gonna give you the perfect support right here on this side is what you need when you're standing for long periods of time. And also just this is super hard. As you're gonna see, this one right here is not breaking, it's not bending, meaning that this one is gonna be more than anything for your ankle, for your legs, and for your knees. That's gonna give you the really nice support that you need over here. They're true to size, I have to say, but if not, you can actually cut it a little bit. They're not as easy to cut as this one, so this one's gonna give you a little bit more resistance, but they are true to size. So these are right here. Also, they're breathable enough not to make you sweat too much, but just give it a look right here and how this is gonna give you the support you need for standing. But then, I don't know what's going on here, but then these ones right here are gonna be the ones that I believe that are gonna be better for example, running, walking, for sports. I don't know, maybe right here, Penny, please. For sports and for sneakers. These ones are gonna be more suitable for shoes, what I believe, my thoughts I'm sharing, and these ones are gonna be better for sneakers. Just because of this, you can see that these ones actually bend a little bit more, and you can you can actually cut them. I'm going to show you that one in a few seconds. You can cut them right here. You have this one goes up to size 13, and then you have lines over here that you're going to actually be able to cut it for 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and that's going to be in between kind of like the 11.5, 10.5, 12.5. You can cut them, but the support right here is going to be more than anything right here with this gel that is right here with those bubbles. Breathable as well, but more than anything, this one's going to give you the support over all your feet, not just on your arc, and more kind of like for standing. So my takeaway, this one's right here, Walkhero for shoes, formal, dinner, formal, party, formal, whatever, but more than anything for standing, for your legs. And these ones right here, I think are gonna be better for sneakers and for sports or running or walking. That's my takeaway. I hope this was helpful for you and kind of like help you to decide. I hope this was good about the type of insoles you need. Take it a look and just let me know how it goes.